a ADT base with actual physical buttons and voice announcements? Let's talk about it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the ADT base station. So first I need to unbox this, and this particular model is ADT Base502R0. Okay, let me pull this out of the box. Just take a quick look at everything we have. So we got the base station here. So we got a speaker, and we also got another speaker, and we got a LED light right here, and on the face of it we got another LED status light. Alright, and then we got armed stay, armed away, armed night,
Disarmed.
and then you got your keypad. And then these three buttons, you would need a paid subscription to have emergency services. So you got fire, medical, and police. Alright, so we got the power adapter, and we got the quick start guide. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the adtplus app and then set up the base. So we're going to go to Play Store. Right. Then from there we're going to search for the ADT app. ADT Plus. And then we'll go ahead and install it. Okay, it's installing. We're going to open up the app. So if you haven't created an account, you need to go ahead and create you an account. I already have an account created, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So when you log in, of course, you got to enter in your email address. Alright, so this is the screen that you come to after you've entered in your email address and your password and you're logged in. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I have a system. Yep. That I need help setting up. So the first option. So now we have to verify with either the email you use to purchase the ADT system or with the QR code on the device. we're going to go QR code. And we have an ADT base. So the QR code's on the bottom. So we hit allow, and then we're gonna scan it. Alright, so finally the scan worked. So use the ADT activation portal. It looks like you bought a system from a retailer other than ADT. Activate your system by the following instructions included on the flyer in your box, or go to the activation portal and then return to the app once you're finished.
Since I bought this device through a retailer, I'm going to have to go to the ADT activation site to activate this device. So when you first get to this screen, it asks you to create an account, which I did. Then it asks you to log in, which I did. And then it asked for the serial number of the device that you purchased. Okay, and then after you enter that, it'll bring you to this checklist. So since this checklist has my personal information, I'm going to go ahead and fill this form out off camera. Okay, so I finished the checklist. I added myself as a primary user. Then after that, I set my address. And then after that, I selected a subscription plan. Then after I did all that, it brought me to this screen right here. Now I'm just going to go back to the ADT Plus app and finish setting up the ADT base station.
So I'm back at the ADT app. So it is prompting me to create a security code. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. A 4-digit security code. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plug in the power adapter into the back of the base station. Alright, we're plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Okay, so at this point you need to have Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Alright, so we're waiting for a blue light to blink. And it did. So I'm going to go ahead and hit connect. So I'm going to allow ADT Plus to connect to nearby devices. I'm going to hit allow. So now it's a situation where I have to scan the QR code on the bottom of the base, which I'm going to do it. And I'm going to allow my camera to to allow ADTplus to take pictures. There it is. So the scan is successful. Alright, so now you can see the indicator light blinking blue, and it wants me to enter in the verification code, and I got 60 seconds to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the verification code. Okay, so now it's a situation where I need to connect to my Wi-Fi. I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so it's connected. Now it is updating firmware for the base, and you can see the indicator light blinking purple while that update is going on. Okay, we're connected and we're updated. So basically it talks about pressing the arm button. It's just instructions talking about the keypad and what each button does when it comes to arming and disarming your base. So all this is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to hit continue. Then it talks about the emergency response buttons that you have. And then we're done. My base is ready to go. And I'm going to hit done. Alright. And that's it, we're done. So I gotta say, the reason why I bought this base is because I just love buttons. So I like that we got physical, old school buttons, as opposed to like a touchscreen type of keypad. And then I also like that it has voice announcements. So last but not least, I want to show you guys how to turn on voice announcements. So when you go under your settings, you're going to go under devices and you're going to find your base, audio, and then from there go to arming and disarming, and then you're going to select the radio button for voice, and then you're going to hit save.